Hey there, welcome to the video. Today we have an interesting problem to tackle together. Imagine you have an object in JavaScript that has a nested structure, and you need to flatten or remove the topmost key from it. For instance, you might have an object with a page key and you want to extract the contents under it. Quite a common conundrum, right? Now let's delve into the solution for this issue. The key to achieving this is by using a neat trick in JavaScript. By employing the Object.values method, we can extract the values of the object, and then with the help of Object.assign, we can merge them into a new object. The magic formula here is result equals Object.assign Object.values data. This concise line of code elegantly handles the task of flattening the object structure and producing the desired output. Pretty cool, isn't it? In summary, we've successfully addressed the problem of flattening or removing the topmost key of an object in JavaScript by utilizing Object.values and Object.assign. With this nifty solution in hand, you can efficiently manipulate nested objects without breaking a sweat. I hope you found this information helpful and insightful. Keep coding, keep learning, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Catch you in the next one.